Making the design first is useful when we want to make some product. Drawing with measure to let us know what is the size of components we want to add. Drawing will easiest to choose what is the good construction we will use. It could be fully assembly or make it in knockdown system. Research and development, R&D, is the department responsible for conducting research and development of new products, as well as improving the quality of existing products. In furniture companies, R&D plays an important role in creating innovative new products that meet market needs. Once the technical drawing done, then we start to made the components, cutting and made construction using our machine that we have. We look at this segment. The DIY CNC machine still work cutting the tenon for backrest component. And this show us the DIY CNC machine still working making the mortise at the side frame of the deck chair. DIY CNC machine can make mortise when the wood still in plank condition and also can make mortise when the component assemble. Monitoring work and research progress is important for furniture R&D to ensure that projects stay on track and correct with the concept of the design. The design that we build in drawing will not have 100% exactly same with the real prototype. Usually still need adjust some part. Change the measure of the component and some time is still need to adjust the construction. This is something that designers in the world of woodworking usually do. While research failures can occur, they should not prevent R&D teams from continuing to innovate. R&D teams should learn from failures and take steps to prevent them from happening again in the future.